Hey guys, it's Mandy. Welcome back to another episode of Mimi's Way of Life. Okay, really? You know, our neighbors have, I don't know this, I think it's one of their sister come and watch their son when they go to work. Cool. I get that. I watch my nephew. But she parks right at the, on the street across exactly from our driveway to where it's hard for us to get out. She's got the whole street, and not to mention the parents, the mom and the dad are both leaving, which is why she's there. So why are you not parking in the driveway? I mean, it's like, really? The entire street? And as far as I know, we don't have beef with our neighbor, so whatever. But so happy Sunday, everybody. Everybody. That was everybody. I am actually heading to my mom's house right now, and she watches my other nephew while my sister and brother-in-law go and clean my dad's shop on Sundays. And he's a machinist, so they clean up the shop for them. So we're gonna go over. Well, I'm gonna go. Meaning me. I'm by myself. I'm gonna go over to my mom's, hang out with my mom and my sister for the afternoon, and we're gonna go out to lunch. So I'm excited. We used to hang out every weekend, and life has just gotten too busy for everybody to where it's hard to coordinate anymore. So yeah, we're gonna go out to lunch today, and it is 11:13. It'll take me probably about a half hour, 40 minutes to get to my mom's house. So I mean, I'm not hungry yet, which is awesome. I'm down to 205.1 today. Really, scale, you can't go under 205. Come on now. It's messing with me. It's effing with me is what it's doing. So, anyway, I am heading over there. I'm going to do lunch. I did, just in case, because I don't know where we're going. My sister is kind of doing keto too, but I'm not sure if she's 100% on board yet or at all. So not sure where we're going to end up going, and I really don't care. I can pretty much find something anywhere. And I'm to the point where it's I've been to the point for a long time to where it's it doesn't bother me if somebody's eating fries next to me. I don't care anymore. So yeah, I mean, I'm perfectly happy with a salad or a side salad, and I can dip my stuff in ranch, my lettuce and stuff. So not a big deal for me. So we'll do that, but just in case it's something really off the wall or awkward that I can't get very much to eat, I don't want to make myself super hungry to where I'm going to F things up for myself. For one, I'm so afraid to eat anything like that because I know what it did to me after Mother's Day. I have no interest in going through that again. I feel better, all that good stuff. That's not my eye. It is bugging me. Seriously. Sorry. That is not any better. Anyway. So I did bring some Quest Dorito knockoffs with me. These are my favorite. A lot of people don't like them. I don't understand that. But I am in love with these. It's only 4 net carbs, so I'm good with that because I'm usually under. I mean, my carb manager says to not go over 16 carbs 16 net carbs, and I have no problem. I always have anywhere from 4 to 10 net carbs left for the 16, when to be in ketosis, I think it's like 20 net carbs. So, not a huge deal. I'm doing pretty well, I think. So, it's high in the protein, which is also something I need to try and make sure and get. I know some people are really afraid of getting too much protein, but also a lot of people have such an easy way of getting the protein. I don't know what my deal is, but I'm really good at getting the fats. So I do need, that's what I've been tracking for, is to kind of back off the fats a little bit and let ketosis start eating away at my body fat instead. But I'm not cutting out the fat. You still need that for satiation. Please do not mind my non-brows today. It is Sunday, and this is more than I even put on most Sundays. I'm just going out to lunch, so I put something on to look decent and not make people lose their appetite. So there's that. Oh, and I don't have eyeliner on today either. So just 3 coats of mascara to make it look like I got falsies on. Anyway, yeah, so I sidetracked myself.
Cooking soda, babe.
Anyway, tomorrow I will weigh in again. I'm a daily weigher. I've said that before. It really makes me on track and makes me realize that I'm heading in the right direction, or if I'm not, makes me kind of take a look and say, okay, what's going on? What am I eating maybe that's making me not happy, or that's hindering me? And so I do have and I'm going really, really slow. Well, I got a track, and when I started tracking, realized eating too many fats. Yes, there is such thing as too many fats, and there is a limit. Calories in, calories out still is a thing. It's just you're going to get, once you're deep in ketosis, you should get to a point to where you could do like 1 meal a day, and then the calories aren't going to matter. It's like don't have to count it, is what it means. Because you're not going to be going over, in 1 meal, usually not going over your calories for the day. My husband made chicken legs last night. I tried a couple of them in the air fryer. I like the air fryer better. I like it better than the Traeger. I'm not big on smoky flavor, so if that's all I had, oh yeah, I'm gonna eat it. It's still good, but I do like the air fryer better. So I think from now on, that's where I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna put mine in the air fryer, whether it be chicken thighs, chicken that. I've looked on Pinterest before. If anybody has anything that they know that works for salt, vinegar, chicken, whatever in the air fryer, please let me know. I so want to try it. Like, I want to try it like mad. So, because I love salt and vinegar stuff, and like salt and vinegar chips. Oh my god, yum. But so yeah, I've rambled for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna try and cut my videos down just a little bit. I'm not gonna be recording my lunch. I may be able to insert a picture if I can get a picture, and just kind of insert that into the, you know, it has a clip in here, and post on my Instagram. My Instagram is _livin.la.vida. No. Oh my gosh. Wrong. _livin.la.keto.lowcarb_. So, that's me. And so I'll try and post it on there also. And if I eat the tortilla chips, which I'm starting to get hungry now, but it's going to be probably a couple more hours before we eat. But I'm going to try and hold out. I still have my Star Blast bag to get me through. And I'll need to drink some damn water. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. But if I eat those, like I said, I'll show you. And so I'm going to go for now and hang out with my mom and my sister. Probably got about another 25-minute drive. I'll talk to you later. It's me again. I am just leaving. It's a little bumpy. My parents have a gravel road for their driveway. But I am just leaving my parents' house. Probably about 5 o'clock in the evening. And went out to lunch with my sister. My mom hung out with them for a while today. And we went to a place that has a bunch of different stuff. Kind of like a little bistro area. I had what they call the bistro burger. What is that in the road? Oh, there's a dead possum and there's a bunch of vultures in the road. I thought it was like a huge big like black dog. Freaked me out. Okay. Anyway, and I had the like a double cheeseburger without a bun. And oh, look out, vultures! I'm gonna run you over. Goodness. But I had a double cheeseburger without the bun, with just some mayonnaise on it, and a little, like, not even, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of ketchup to mix in with it. And then a side salad with ranch. And I took all the weird stuff off, didn't eat the little shredded carrots or anything. I'm not a big fan of carrots on salad anyway, and with them being higher in sugars, why bother? So we went and did that, and then we went to the store. I had to get some more of the Swerve confectioners, so I was out of that. And then my mom, being who she is, slapped all of her stuff up on the belt and wouldn't let me or my sister pay for what we were getting at the store. So I had a diet soda at the with the lunch and water. I'm trying to think here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hung out with them and played with my little my little nephew. Probably have a little clip of him in here. And my mom's dog, for some reason, just loves me and doesn't leave me alone when I'm over there, and just wants to be on me, with me, playing with me anytime I'm there. So I played with the dog because I love dogs anyway. Yeah, so I am heading home now and gonna get dinner ready for my husband and myself. Just having some reheated leftover pulled pork that I had in the freezer from when I made it maybe a couple weeks ago, and there wasn't quite enough for my kids to have some also, so I saved it for when it was just my husband and myself, and that way they get to have some too, and I'm not eating it in front of them. But stayed on track. I did not eat the Quest chips. They are still there, still sealed. I finished my bag earlier. I do need to drink some more water when I get home, and I'll be doing that while I'm doing my nails. Maybe not. I'll have to wait till after I'm done with my nails because I can't get up and pee in the middle of that. But I do have this little Diet Coke, or Diet, or whatever it is. Coke Zero. I hate Diet Coke. I can't do it. I don't know how people love it so much. I tried. I think it's just because that's what I grew up on. My mom had that all the time. My parents did. Diet Coke all the time. Oh God. Too much. So I'm over it. But I have Coke Zero and just a little afternoon caffeine pick-me-up. I think with pork tonight, yes, I am all over the place. EBD girl, I have already told you that. So with the pulled pork for dinner, going to be having, I'm thinking broccoli, just like steamed broccoli cauliflower mix with some Kerrygold butter and salt. I know I mentioned that previously this morning, but I think that's still what we're going to do because it's quick and it's easy and it fits into my macros. I don't actually count my veggies for the carbs like that because they are necessary carbs, and not to mention I am always so low on my carbs anyway that it's not an issue. But yeah, so I had a good afternoon. I'm heading home now, and just wanted to say hello, catch you up on what I actually did have, try and insert the picture of it. I did take a picture of it while I was there, but I didn't get to do video or anything, not at the restaurant, so I will talk to you guys later. Alright guys, here's dinner. Got the pulled pork leftovers and some G-Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce and some veggies with Kerrygold and salt. And that's going to be it. I might have a little bit of Lily's chocolates afterwards and call it a night.